So we took your guys' feedback and we are doing a little bit different of a video today. We'll still be doing all the other videos that we constantly keep doing, but a little bit different. We're actually going to go specifically and show you a car modification. Particularly on this one, this is a high-end build, about $12,500 already spent. It's a body kit that I think I said wrong in the video, but it's a Volta kit by Vorsteiner, and it's wheels from BC Forged. One thing I'd like for you guys to do is to really look at the wheels before and see would you have picked this wheel. I mean, I think one of the things that's really always hard for all of us as car enthusiasts is to imagine how the wheels are going to look on the car. And in this case, you know, watch it all the way through and then give your honest opinion. Would you have actually thought you would pick that wheel? And what do you guys think? And what else would you do with it? Or how would you spend that kind of budget? Now, you don't have to spend that kind of big ticket item. You could go for lesser amounts. There are cheaper kits available. But I want you guys to check it out and let's roll it. Hey guys, today in the shop we actually have a Tesla Model 3. Come here to get some new wheels. Now the wheels that they picked out, there's a ton of options, but when you get especially if you have a Tesla Model 3, you need to make sure that the load rating, because Teslas are pretty heavy compared to most vehicles, and so with that you need a wheel that has a good load rating. Now this customer went out and picked, I think, one of the best value wheels out there. It's a forged wheel. It's a BC Forged. Particularly he picked the EH176 in a Matte Gunmental, and we're actually pairing it up with probably the best tires, one of the best tires out there, the Michelin PS4S. Very, very popular. I have it myself on my own Tesla. But one thing I wanted to show you guys on this car is he's actually got a pretty expensive kit. I think it's fairly expensive, but it's a really nice kit. It's very aggressive, but it really does fit well with the Tesla Model 3. It's the Vorsteiner Volta kit. So he's got the full kit here, side skirts, we've got the diffuser, we've got the front lip. It looks really, really aggressive. I like the way the carbon fiber and the white works well together. I mean, he's got the gloss black trim. So the black and the white contrast, that panda theme, has come out really nice on this. It looks great on other vehicles in different colors, but I think it came out really, really nice. Just want to go over a little bit of the kit on here as well. One thing I do like about the kit is the fitment area. Now when I'm talking about the fitment, I'm talking about how flush it goes with the lines here. You'll notice it on the side skirts, it's right up there, butts right up correctly. So that type of the fitment is great. This is just the spoiler, for example, it's just double-sided tape. I think overall, this is a really, really well-fitting kit. I mean, one more important part of it is the weave is excellent. I don't see any flaws in it. I mean, he's had this on his car for a while. It looks like it's held up to the elements so far, and it looks really, really nice. Now I'm excited to see how the wheels turn out. I think you did a great choice picking these wheels, because for a forged wheel, you're getting a quality of some brands that sell within the $10,000 range, and you're buying a wheel that is about $4,000 here, which I think for us has been, BC's really hit it out of the park. I'm not going to lie about it. They've got great designs, but most importantly, they've got great quality. And for a forged wheel, especially a custom wheel setup like this one that he got, you can't beat that type of price level. So, it's forged, so he's got the strength and everything else. I'm excited to see how this turns out. Okay guys, so next you guys are going to see the wheels get mounted, and if you haven't already realized, I'm going to ask you guys to like the video. You will see what happens next, but hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It always helps us out. So guys, we just wrapped up putting the wheels on this car. I think they look very, very good. Particularly this design is kind of a little bit different. It's not a classical type of design, very strong type of lines on it, but I think when you look at it, this car itself is a very technology forward. So as well with these wheels, it's a technology forward, kind of like very futuristic. And I think it works really well. The color contrast, all of it just is very, very clean. I do think maybe some lowering would be in order for it, but that's up to you guys to decide. What do you guys think of the wheels? I think it came out great. So guys, if you like this kind of content for us to look at certain things, obviously please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the like button, it helps us out. And I will see you guys on the next Talking Mods.